Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming capability. AirPlay 2 on the TV or a compatible streamer is required because HomePod Mini uses AirPlay for TV audio. Next, make sure your HomePod Mini and the TV are on the same Wi-Fi network and signed into the same Apple ID. This lets devices discover each other. Once done, update iPhone, iPad, or Mac and the HomePod firmware, then pick the TV HDMI input you'll use. Now you're ready to begin the AirPlay connection process. You now mirror or stream from your source device. On iPhone or iPad, open Control Center, tap Screen Mirroring or the AirPlay icon, and select the AirPlay 2 TV. Immediately tap the AirPlay audio output and choose your HomePod Mini. This routes TV audio to the speaker. If you're on a Mac, use the menu bar AirPlay or sound icon to select the TV, then set HomePod Mini as the audio device. Test with a short clip to verify sync and volume. If latency appears, adjust settings. Finish by fine-tuning. Use the TV's audio delay or the source device's sync settings to fix lip sync and set HomePod volume where you want it. If the HomePod Mini does not appear in AirPlay, restart the HomePod, the TV or streamer, and the iPhone or Mac, then reconnect to the same Wi-Fi and Apple ID. This clears discovery issues. Finally, if problems persist, switch to a proven AirPlay 2 compatible streamer. That often resolves compatibility quirks and gives the most reliable connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.